Car trouble ruins your morning in one of two ways. Way 1, click, 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 it won't start. Way 2, it starts fine, and then that little amber engine icon lights up and moves in rent-free. Two different problems. Traditionally, two different tools. This is the iCarzone MA900, a professional battery tester and an OBD2 code reader. One tool for both bad mornings. Let's put it through both jobs. In the box, the MA900 with its OBD2 cable built in, a separate battery clamp cable, a carry case, and a manual. Those two cables are the whole story. Plug the OBD2 end into the diagnostic port and it's a code reader. Swap to the clamps and it's a battery lab. The unit runs a 2.8-inch color display with physical buttons, weighs under 160 grams, needs no charging. It draws power from the car itself, anywhere from 9 to 30 volts, and it's protected against short circuits, reversed clamps, and overvoltage. Garage-proof by design. Identity 1. The battery doctor, clamp on, red to positive, black to negative, and in about 5 seconds, the screen hands you the 3 numbers that define a battery's remaining life. State of health, how much is left. State of charge, how full it is right now. Internal resistance, how far the aging has gone. The battery never leaves the car, and the test is completely passive. No spark, no heat. 5 seconds once in a while, and that click, click, click morning gets canceled weeks in advance. It also hunts quiet killer. If a rectifier diode in the alternator starts leaking alternating current into the battery gets slowly cooked, and replacing it just feeds the killer a fresh victim. The MA900's ripple voltage test catches exactly that in about a minute at idle. And because cold skews battery readings, temperature compensation is automatic, a January number you can actually trust. Identity 2, the code reader. Swap to the OBD2 cable, plug into the port, and the MA900 pulls the vehicle's VIN, CALID, and CVN automatically. Then the main event, fault codes, and not just the generic set. It reads manufacturer-specific codes too, which is exactly where bargain readers go blank and leave you with a meaningless number. Diagnose, fix, then clear the code and watch the check engine light go dark properly because you fixed the cause, not just the symptom. That's the discipline. Read first, understand, repair, then clear. Depth beyond the code, live data streams in text or graphs so you watch sensors move in real time instead of guessing. Freeze frame recalls the exact snapshot of the moment a vault set. Engine speed, temperature, load, all of it. O2 sensor and onboard monitor tests dig into the emissions hardware. And the one that pays for the tool by itself. One press IM readiness. Check it before the emissions inspection, and you never pay to fail. Coverage is wide on both identities. On the OBD2 side, every OBD2 and EOBD vehicle. American cars from 1996, European from 2001, Chinese from 2008. On the battery side, 12 and 24 volt systems, which pulls trucks, buses, and fleet vehicles into range. Commercial grade reach at a driveway price. And the interface speaks multiple languages built for workshops anywhere. And the iCarzone Constant updates over USB 100% free for life. No annual fee, no hidden subscription, no activation. Year 1, 0. Year 10, 0. New coverage and new functions keep arriving. Where does it sit in the family? Honestly, the MA500 test batteries, nothing else. The MA900 adds the whole OBD2 engine and emissions toolkit on a color screen. And when you need to go deeper than the engine, ABS, airbags, all systems with bidirectional control. That's the MA200 series. Batteries plus warning lights covered, this is your tool. Wrenching deeper? Climb one rung. Links below. The MA900 with a 1-year hardware warranty, lifetime free updates, and lifetime support. Think about what it replaces. A decent battery tester and a decent code reader, bought separately, plus the drawer space. 2 tools, 1 price, no subscription. And both of your bad mornings answered before they happen. That's the iCarzone MA900, the battery doctor and the code reader in one hand. Link and full specs below. If it just simplified your toolbox, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you under the next hood. Your car, your zone.